Ngiyanibingelela nonke, sanibonani nonke nibukela le video. Siqhubeka ku-channel yethu siqhubeka ku-electrostatics. I-question nje ebalulekile engifuna ukuthi siyibheke namhlanje, then mase sikwazi ukuthi sindlulele kwi-law ama-electric circuits, ama-questions akhona bese senza wona. Lana-ke ama-question esizowenza awu-5 kuphela. Ilawa owabona lana mase kuba yilena eyodwa yokugcina. Soqala ngawo lawa-ke, then ezikujwayelekile-ke sofunda la bathi there are two small identical metallic spheres. Okay, lana kunama metallic spheres awu-2, u-P and R. Then base bethi P and R carry ama-charges, then -20, then nobani no-30, then microcoulomb kanjena. Then u-micro angithi simele simazi ukuthi ubani micro u-10 multiplied by 10 to the power of -6. Then uyena micro shuthi-ke ngoba lana so multiply nalo 20 kanje. Then iyona into ekumele uyikhumbule. Then respectively shuthi ngoba bethi respectively angithi abaqondanisana nokuthi mhlawumbe bathe u-P wile yabo bathe PR kusho ukuthi nalana kuhamba kanjalo-ke PR, yiko bethi respectively ngokulandelana. Then sebethi they are placed on east-west axis compass as shown as ubona kanjena compass. Then sebethi-ke i-question yokuqala ithi define the electric field at a point inwards. Then sithini electric field at a point, electric field at a point, not electric field nje. Then because electric field is just a region then where i-charge izo-experience khona i-force then or electrostatic force. Yini electric field sithi is an electrostatic force experienced per unit positive charge placed at that point. Then sithi electric field at a point yini electrostatic force experience per unit positive charge depending on lelo charge ukuthi libekwe kuyiphi i-point. I-definition yakhona-ke ikhona ku-exam guideline. Then bathi lani yini is an electrostatic force, static force experienced per unit positive cause siyazi ngithi ingani bethi positive cause kusuke i-positive charge leyo kusuyini kuyi-test charge. Then per unit positive charge placed at that point. Then sesiqedile-ke sesingakwazi ukuthi sindlulele ku-question elandelayo. Ithi question elandelayo siyadrawa njengamanje, shuthi sizodrawa manje. Yini-ke siyidrawayo? Bathi draw i-electric field pattern for the combined field P and R. Okay, siyiduba kanjani i-electric field? Angithi u-P and R ama-charges, shuthi kumele sibheke ukuthi ithini i-charge ka-P. U-P i-charge yakhe iwubani? Iwu-negative, yabona negative charge yakhe, shuthi u-negatively is charged. Then lena enye i-positively charged, shuthi sphere esi-positive, yabo. Then sesizokwazi ukuthi siyilo sesiduba ini thina i-electric field. Siyiduba kanjani i-electric field? Then uyayi-indicator i-charge yakho ukuthi this is for bani u-positive okubani oku-R u-sphere R, u-sphere R wethu lo. Then ubani omunye u-negative oku-sphere P. Then sizodoba ini-ke i-electric field pattern ilama lines kasuke ephuma la eza ngapha ebuya engene kanje, iwona ama-lines lawo-ke. Since kuwama-like charges, since siyazi ama-unlike charges enza njani aya-attract angithi, then ama-like charges aya-repel. Shuthi lawa ngoba engafani azonza njani azothi attract each other. Shuthi ama-lines ala azofuna ukuza ngapha okusho ukuthi kuzoba yinto ekanje. yabo, ama-lines lawa azobe ephuma la straight. Njengamanje azofuna uku-address angithi bezophuma la straight ize kanje, kodwa manje sizophuma enze njani, efuna ukuza ngapha ihlangabezana nawa la kanjalo futhi nawa ngapha futhi enze yona same thing le. Then-ke funa uwabhalansisiseke, angithi yabo ukuthi senze awu-2 ula, senze awu-2. Ya, shuthi asiyeke-ke ungenze esithathu la ungenze enye. Kumele kubhalanse yonke into, then a-intersect la only angaqhamukeli ngaphakathi. Then futhi nalawa angithi lawa yile ephumayo vele izobe i-neutral, ifuna ukuya le iye le, kodwa-ke because ilokhu njani i-force ezoyi-experience kule region engapha mayifuna ukuthi ize ngapha izolingana nengapha, izogcina seyima straight kanje singazi ukuthi iyephi. That's why usubona seyima straight seyiphuma kanje, cause ibizofuna ukuthi manje amandla okuyidonsa eze ngapha nokuyidonsa eze ngapha ayalingana, kusho ukuthi-ke seyizodideka, seyizovele ime la straight. Then-ke sesiyidwebile kanje, wayiqhubezela futhi wenze yabona kanjena, cause lawa vele azoloku eqhubeka ephuma kanje efuna ukuza ngapha, iphuma kanje efuna ukuza ngale. Then usuyabheka-ke since le i-positive angithi la ku-positive khona kuhlezi kunjani, ihlezi ama-arrow enze njani ephuma, since kunjani ku-positive, then azohlezi enjani-ke ephuma kanje ku-positive, eyaphuma then ayaphuma kanje ayaphuma. Then ku-negative azohlezi enjani engena, kusho ukuthi la esingakathinti khona-ke swavese engena, yabo vele ayongena khona aya ku-negative, then ayangena ku-negative, then kuyangena, then vele nalawa azonjani ayangena. Then u-positive senza njani, siyaphuma kanje yabo. Then iyona-ke ilo i-electric field pattern yethu for 3 marks sesiyenzile. Sesiqhubeka-ke manje sesizobheka i-last part yethu manje lena ebalulekile engifuna ukuthi siyenze, then sindlulele ku-topic elandelayo. Lana-ke kunani yabona besino-P and R, nangu-P nangu-R. Then yonke le ndaba lela bakutshela lokho ukuthi manje kuno-P no-R no-Q manje omusha sibembeke ngenzansi kwa-P. Then nale ndaba la endichaza ukuthi la sekunani seku-7 cm between, then seku-9 cm. Yonke le ndaba uma uyifunda izokutshela lokho. Bese kutshela ukuthini-ke since lo P kuseyilo yaphi laphana, shuthi i-charge ka-P kusewu-20 microcoulomb yabona. Lana bese kubani upositive bani, upositive 30 microcoulombs. Then bakutshela-ke ka-Q ukuthi ubani, u-45 microcoulomb. Yiyo le ndaba le isitshela konke lokho. Ime kanjena-ke manje sekume kanje like yini, like nje ifuna ukufoma i-triangle ishoda ngo-line la, then kuba kanje. Sebethi-ke i-question-ke yakhona seyithi write down Coulomb's law in weights, 3 marks nakhona 3 marks yabona. Coulomb's law yini-ke, if kunama-charges amabili just so sesiyibheka lento, if nje like kunama-charge ake sithathe lawo mabili ngoba e-charge lama-charge lawo shuthi ane-charge no-negative no-positive, kunani kune-force eyenzeka between bona, either bazophushana or basondelane. Leyo force yini, electrostatic force, shuthi between ama-charges kunani, kune-electrostatic force. Then sibe sithi i-electrostatic force le etholakalayo injani-ke, i-direct proportional to i-product yani, i-direct proportional to i-magnitude yalo multiply by i-magnitude yalo. Mesiba njani, mesiba inversely proportional to i-distance between them squared. Le distance kumele be squared according to i-formula yonke lento eshiwo lana. Okusho ukuthi-ke thina sesizo-explain lokubalulekile ukuthi lapho khona sizothi since yini esuke khona la i-electrostatic force, when you explain lo ukuthi electrostatic force cause ukuthatha ku-formula vele yakhona ngithi cause i-formula ithini, ithi electrostatic force bese ithi about charge 1 charge 2 mesithi R squared. Ithini electrostatic force i-direct proportional to laba baphezulu bobabili, lona i-constant akashintshi. then shuthi maku-increase lo nalaba i-product yalabo bawu-2 ba-multiply bazo-increase basithatha bezibe ndawonye. Yeah, then at the same time futhi lona wenza njani because ungaphansi na again uzo-decrease lo inversely proportional to lo shuthi leya mayikhuphuka le izokwehla kanjalo noma yehla le izokhuphuka mayikhuphuka le shuthi obvious nalaba bazokhuphuka yabona isho njalo leyo nto. Shuthi electrostatic force between charges, then charges is injani is directly proportional to a product of their magnitudes. I-product yalapha phela inamba magnitude angithi if kuno-10 la 10 coulomb nala 10 coulomb shuthi i-product yo-10 product of their magnitude. And masiba njani-ke sesiqedile ngo-direct la ngisho masiba inversely proportional to a distance between them, not between their centers, between them, to distance between ama-charges lawa, between them, distance between to the is direct proportional to the distance. Okay, to the distance enjani ngithi u-squared distance squared la shuthi uzobhala ukuthi distance bani squared between them. Iyona nto eshiwo yini i-coulombs law lena. Then sesizoqhubeka-ke kusho ukuthi-ke sesibheka-ke i-question manje-ke engasemaphethelweni okusho ukuthi sekuthi-1 lana sebethi draw futhi hey shuthi sizodweba futhi manje yini esizoyidweba bathi asidwebe ini i-free body diagram shuthi thina siyazi i-free body diagram angithi kuma-Newton's laws nalana basifuna siyidwebe. Okay, kulungile base bethi with the labels free body diagram with labels, then we labelation of all the electrostatic forces acting on P. Okay, shuthi sidwebe free body diagram silabula wonke ama-forces a-acta kubani nangu P, a-acta ku-P, ama-forces a-acta ku-P cause kunale charge ngapha kungaba i-force between them shuthi iya-acta la ku-P. Shuthi sesizobheka ukuthi kuqhubeka kuthiwani as a result of Q and R shuthi sibheka ini sidweba i-free body diagram then experience of P ngenxa yokuba khona kwa-R no-Q. Okay, due to Q and R shuthi sizobheka lokho-ke since bathe i-electrostatic force experience obani u-P shuthi wena uzobheka u-P uhlala ku-P futhi njengamanje usuyomrepresenta u-P as i-dot. I-dot wenza njani-ke? Wenza njani if udwebe i-electrostatic force ilo i-free body diagram experience obani u-P angithi bathe experience of-P wena ubheka u-P yonke into yenzayo usuka ku-P shuthi uma uqhathanisa i-electrostatic ama-charges since la ku-negative uzoqhathanisa kanjani uzothi uya-repella or uya-attract ama-force wethu identify kanjalo ukuthi uma i-repel yale shuthi ne-force yethu nayo yenza njani iyale ubheka yena u-P-ke ukuthi ake umcheck no-R ukuthi wenza njani ama-charges anjani u-P and R ama-unlike charges ubheka lo ukuthi wenza njani awubheki lona ukuthi uza ngapha ubheka lo ukuthi wenza njani kulo yayibo shuthi uqala la ubuze ngakhona kuthiwa ngithi experience by u-P wenza njani ku-R uya kuye noma uyahlehla mayale shuthi ne-electrostatic electrostatic force yenza njani izoya le mangabe u-P futhi e-repel yale nayo izoya le yabo shuthi kanjalo shuthi ngoba negative shuthi like ama-charges are-unlike u-P wenza njani u-P usondela kuye cause ama-unlike charges ufuna ukuthi ahlangane naye sibheke u-P cause ikhulunywe nge-experience by u-P usho ukuthi u-P uzoya kanjani, uzoya le towards u-R. Lokho mase sikwenza kanjani, uzoya kanjani nanga ngithi usiya khona usiya kubani shuthi ileni electrostatic force engithi F umele electrostatic force between u-P and u-R. So idwebile eyokuqala. So uzoyidweba futhi according cause uyo-experience due to le charge and due to le charge. Ubheka yena futhi unjani u-negative nale negative shuthi ama-like charges, ama-charges afanayo. Uzokwenza njani yena-ke uzoya kuye noma uzomqhelela uzo-repella cause bayafana ngithi shuthi uzokwenza njani kumele a-repelle opposite direction. Ngeke a-repelle ayele shuthi lo mangabe beya downward yena uzo-repella upward yabona ngendlela efanayo. Naloku bezo-repella bengeke a-repelle ayele kube bezo-repella ku-R bezo-repella ayele kwa-left cause lo beye kanjani kwa-right. Mayi-repella noma i-attract according to i-Cartesian plane iya kanje noma kanje noma kanje noma kanje yabona ayiyi like at an angle. Iyona into kumele uqaphele shuthi-ke uzokwenza njani uzoya upward cause ama-like charges. U-P sibheka u-P olweyisidoba yakhe angithi usho ukuthi-ke uzoya njani uzoya upward. I-electrostatic force le between u-P and u-Q and Q experience etholakala between u-P and Q. Iyona-ke into yethu lesi siyidwebile. I-free body diagram yethu esesiyidwebile lena. Then for u-3 marks. Then sesingakwazi ukuthi siqhubeke ne-question yethu yokugcina. I-question yokugcina ithini? I-question yokugcina ithini? Ithi calculate the net electrostatic force experienced by P as a result of Q and R. Bafuna njengamanje i-electrostatic force ephelele-ke experience of P due to le charge le nale charge. Uyabona ukuthi lawa charge ame kanjani? Ame ngapha ame like in different planes. Iye vertically then ya horizontal. Okusho ukuthini-ke cause why i-direction yodwa bese sifuna ngithi i-total yonke ukuthi lo uzwa kahle kahle electrostatic force engakanani due to law and law. Then uzobheka ukuthi usukwazi uyi-calculator experience due to u-Q due to u-R yes i-calculate. Kodwa i-direction ezoya kuyo izoya kuphi? Izoya le to the right angithi yabona or to the left kodwa izoya to the right cause uyena ngithi sibheka kuyo ukuthi uzoya le according to la. Then shuthi-ke electrostatic force i-total sifuna i-total thina nayi-ke yokuqala nayi yesibili. Singayithola kanjani-ke i-total between i-electrostatic force lena yaphezulu nale yaphansi? So yakhumbula ukuthi uyabona ukuthi angithi la kufumeka bani always kufumeka ku-90 degrees. Okusho ukuthi-ke i-total yini izophuma kanjani? Izophuma kanje. Iphuma kanjani? Iphuma kanje or kube yini i-hypotenuse. Iyona total-ke yani i-magnitude yalabo babili. Siyithola kanjani? Masiyithola siyithola using i-Pythagoras theorem uyabona yeah. Then kuba into kanjalo okusho ukuthi njengamanje-ke i-total vele izophuma phakathi nendawo izofuna ukuthi angithi ibone le yale shuthi le izophuma nje la phakathi nendawo kwabiye le shuthi izogagwa yibo lawo bobabili ngeke iphume iye kanje cause sikeje direction yabo. I-total izothi ifuna ukuya kulo ibuye ifuna ukuya kulo kodwa izoba phakathi nendawo cause yini i-total seyihlanganisiwe lezi zinto zizama ukuqonda sizofaka i-straight line. Then sesibheka ukuthi siyithola kanjani i-total using i-Pythagoras theorem. Shuthi iyo-ke ilokhu njani i-total electrostatic force angithi shuthi u-F total ulingana nobani no-electrostatic force muphi. Since-ke sesisenze ilokhu njani shuthi-ke sekuzobani electrostatic force lena plus le n u-P experience due to u-R. Since i-Pythagoras theorem ithini iyo le ikanje angisithi mesithi plus edala bobabili and Q all squared isho kanje ithini mesithini Pythagoras. Iwona-ke ama-electrostatic force la. Angithi manje sozinlozi senza kanje mase senza ama-forces wethu. Then thina sesifuna i-total, nayo i-total yethu. Sesizokwenza njani-ke manje? Sesizo-substitute then sithole i-answer yethu. Then shuthi kumele senze njani-ke? Then shuthi nayi lokhu njani i-electrostatic force, i-total, then squared. Kodwa thina sifuna i-total angithi. Then iyo le, okay. Shuthi bese ngafuna i-total senze njani-ke? To remove squared lo. Sifake i-square root angithi. Sifake i-square root la. Sifake nangapha singena yonke indawo okusho ukuthi kuzoba yiphi-ke nayi-ke sekushuthi la sekuyi yonke le nto isingaphansi kwani kwe-square root iyo le plus ile part le nale part all squared sesifake ku-square root. Then iyo-ke le kumele ibe njani-ke iyo le. Then then thina sesizoyibala ukuthi-ke yini esizoyi-substitute i-electrostatic force between P and Q. Ithini iformula okuyibala? Iformula okuyibala ithini? Siyazi angithi iformula okuyibala ithi K charge 1 charge 2 over R squared. Then kanjena charge 2 over R squared. Yabona? Iformula okucalculate electrostatic force between P and R. P and R nala P and R formula khona. Into esesisalela ukuthini? Si-substitute inizi ama-charges la, ama-charges. Then okusho ukuthi sesiyathola i-answer yethu ukuthi ingubani. La sesithini sino-squared la. U-K wethu uyi-constant 9.0 times 10 to the power 9. Then kanje multiply by u-charge 1 okubani u-charge P no-charge R. U-charge P ubani u-20 angithi i-sign asiyifaki mase sibala la. Asiyifaki i-sign la always kwi-columns lo asiyifaki i-sign yama-charges yabona. Then asiyifaki i-sign akhona futhi 20 times 10 to the power minus 6 because ubani u-microcoulombs multiply by charge ka-R okubani oku-30 charge 2 charge 1. Okay, then distance between them ubani 7 centimeters. Thina sithethe kumamani ikuma-meters. Shuthi kumele senze njani? Siyi-convert kanjani-ke from centimeters to meters. Iyona distance yethu squared le. Shuthi senze njani-ke u-7 lwana? U-7 simdivide ngobani? Ngo-100 sangithi. Ngo-100. Bese senze njani-ke? Bese sithi all squared plus sesiqedile 9 times 10 to the power 9. I-charge kabani ka-P okubani oku-20 times 10 to the power minus 6 then multiply by i-charge kabani ka-Q because senza le part le manje. U-Q wethu ubani u-45. 45 simthathe positive times 10 to the power minus 6 then all squared. Senze njani? Senze nje sithini-ke i-distance between yebona-ke ubani P and Q. P and Q iwu-9 oku-9 wethu esongidivida ngo-100 ukuze aye kuma-meters. Then bese senze njani? Uyena distance we-R wethu lo sesimconvertile kodwa kunjani u-squared according to iformula. Then-ke sizobe sesiphanja-ke sonke-ke sibone ukuthi sithola bani. 9 times 10 to the power 6. Asazi-ke noma siyovuma yini space kule calculator. 7 over 100 sisithi cause angisithembi space ukuthi singavuma, then just ukuthi siphanje le part le phakathi ukuthi ubani yeah sithole yona, shaye le part le ubani 12144,93961 plus then sisenza le part lena engale sisishintsha okuncane ke la, shintshe u9 shintshe nobani no30 kube u45 bese ke siyasho bese sebubani 10,000 la sekuyiyona ke answer yethu lena ke izoba positive vele because answer ama sign angisasiwathathi vele, then ukusho ukuthi izoba between like izoba yabo ukuthi ngeke ibe like ngeke ibe kwa right to the left yabo yakhe sign singayithathi shuthi sina setha obani according to Cartesian plane izoba unorth yabo iphuma kuphi, iphuma la shuthi unorth east shuthi iwa north east, then sesiyayiplug ke sesithi ke 12144.93961 plus 10,000, then sithola bani, sithola sonke le answer le 148.81 newtons, then direction ithini ke ithi north east, iyo ke lena ilokhunjane i-magnitude yethu besiyidinga ke, then sesitholile sesiqedile ke, then ngiyethemba ukuthi khona nekufundile namhlanje. Siyabonga.